In the cold, deep waters of the North Pacific, a colossal creature stirs. This is the realm of the giant Pacific octopus, a true titan of the ocean. With arms that can span over 20 feet and a mind as vast as its domain, its story is one of intelligence, survival, and profound mystery. From the moment it hatches, no bigger than a grain of rice, the octopus begins a life of solitude and learning. It has no parents to guide it, no pack to protect it. Every lesson is learned through trial and error, shaping it into one of the ocean's most formidable survivors. Its body is a marvel of evolution. With no bones to constrain it, the octopus can squeeze its massive form through openings as small as its own eye. This incredible flexibility allows it to explore hidden crevices and escape the clutches of predators, a liquid acrobat in a world of rigid forms. But it's the mind of the octopus that truly sets it apart. Inside its soft body lies a brain of remarkable complexity, capable of problem-solving, learning, and even, some might say, feeling. Each of its 8 arms contains a cluster of neurons, giving it a distributed intelligence that allows it to think with its entire body. Observe as it approaches a jar containing a tasty crab. A human might struggle with the lid, but for the octopus, it's a puzzle to be solved. With patient, deliberate movements, it suckers grip and twist, exploring the mechanics of the obstacle. Soon, the lid is unscrewed, and the prize is claimed. This isn't just instinct, it's a demonstration of learning and memory. An octopus that has solved a puzzle once can solve it again, faster each time. They have been known to recognize individual humans, showing preference for some and displeasure toward others, hinting at a complex inner world. Their mastery of disguise is legendary. In the blink of an eye, an octopus can vanish into its surroundings. It's not just about changing color, it's about altering skin texture, mimicking rocks, coral, or seaweed with uncanny accuracy. This is camouflage elevated to an art form. Specialized cells called chromatophores, iridophores, and leucophores work in concert, controlled directly by the octopus's eyes and brain. It sees its environment and instantly paints itself into the scene, becoming a living, breathing part of the ocean floor, invisible to both prey and predator. One might see a pile of shells on the seabed, but a closer look reveals a clever octopus holding them together as a makeshift shield. This use of tools, once thought to be a hallmark of higher primates, is common in the octopus world. They carry coconut shells for portable shelters, a sign of foresight and planning. The life of an octopus is often short, but it is lived with an intensity that is both beautiful and tragic. The mating ritual is a dance of life and sacrifice. The male, often much smaller than the female, must approach with caution, extending a specialized arm to deliver his genetic legacy. For many species, this act is his last, his life's purpose fulfilled. His body begins to decline. The female's journey is just as poignant. She finds a safe den and meticulously guards her thousands of eggs, gently blowing currents of water over them to keep them clean and oxygenated. She will not eat, she will not leave. Her entire being is devoted to this final, selfless act of motherhood. For months, she stands vigil, her own body wasting away. By the time her tiny offspring hatch and drift away on the currents, her life's energy is spent. She has given everything for the next generation. So why do they change color with such speed and complexity? It's not just for camouflage, it's their language. A flash of white can signal fear or aggression. A ripple of dark patterns can be a warning to rivals. These vibrant displays are a window into their thoughts and emotions, a silent, colorful conversation. The giant Pacific octopus, the cunning mimic octopus, the tiny but brilliant blue-ringed octopus. Each species tells a unique story of adaptation and intelligence. They are ancient mariners who have navigated the oceans for millions of years, long before humans walked the earth. Their blood is blue, rich in copper-based hemocyanin, better suited for carrying oxygen in cold, low-oxygen environments. They have 3 hearts, 2 to pump blood through the gills and 1 to circulate it to the rest of the body. They are truly alien in their biology, yet strangely familiar in their curiosity. In labs, they have solved mazes, opened child-proof containers, and even played with toys, showing signs of what can only be described as personality. Some are shy, others bold, some are playful, others contemplative. They challenge our very definition of what it means to be intelligent. The octopus is an escape artist without equal. In aquariums around the world, tales are told of octopuses slipping out of their tanks at night to explore, sometimes even visiting neighboring tanks to steal a meal before returning to their own enclosure. By morning, leaving keepers baffled. One astonishing fact is their ability to regenerate lost limbs. If an arm is lost to a predator, the octopus can simply grow a new one, complete with its own network of neurons and suckers. This incredible power of regeneration adds another layer to their remarkable resilience. They are masters of deception. The mimic octopus of Indonesia can impersonate other sea creatures, contorting its body to look like a venomous lionfish to deter predators or a flat sea snake to navigate the open sand. This requires not only physical control but also a keen awareness of its environment and the creatures within it. Their eyes are strikingly similar to our own, a product of convergent evolution. They see the world in sharp detail, though likely not in color. Their vision is crucial for hunting, navigating, and communicating through their incredible skin displays. The world of the octopus is a world of touch and taste. Its suckers are not just for gripping. They are lined with chemoreceptors. With a single touch, an octopus can taste what it is holding, gathering immense amounts of information about its world through its arms. These creatures remind us that intelligence takes many forms. It doesn't require a backbone or a life on land. It can thrive in the cold, dark depths. In a body that seems to defy the rules of biology, they are a testament to the endless creativity of evolution. The brief, brilliant life of an octopus is a cycle of solitude, discovery, love, and sacrifice, from a tiny speck in the plankton to a master of the reef. It lives a life of constant adaptation and problem-solving, a solitary genius of the deep. As we continue to explore the oceans, we uncover more of their secrets, each discovery deepening our respect for these incredible cephalopods. They are not monsters of the deep, but intelligent, sensitive beings navigating a complex world with grace and ingenuity. Their legacy is not written in stone but in the fleeting patterns on their skin and the survival of their countless offspring. The story of the octopus is a quiet one, told in the silent depths. A story of an ancient mind in a modern ocean, forever a titan of the deep.